Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to make Blue Lagoon pineapple mocktail. For that we need Blue Lagoon syrup, lemon juice, pineapple juice, Sprite, ice. First we will take one glass and we will put this ice on the inside the glass. Now we will take lemon juice. After that we will take pineapple juice. Now we will take Blue Lagoon syrup. And last we will put Sprite. And last we will put one straw. So friends, our Blue Lagoon mocktail is ready to drink. So friends, you can see there are three different colors in this mocktail.